Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this faux labradorite out of MDF wood and holographic wrapping paper. First thing you're going to do is cut out your shape out of a piece of MDF wood and put some Elmer's glue type glue all over it and press the wrapping paper on top of it and let it dry overnight. And then in the morning you just cut off the excess. Off camera, all I did was just take some watered down black paint mixed with Floetrol, and I just painted the edges and all around on top of this and then let it dry. Then I mixed up a batch of Artworks resin and added some blue and green pigments into cups. Now I'm just going to start pouring it all over in just some random designs. And now I'm just going to take what's left of the resin that's clear and just finish pouring that all over and spreading it out. Now I'm going to grab my mini butane torch and just quickly go over it to pop any of the air bubbles. Now I'm going to let this dry overnight, and then in the morning what I'm going to do is take a sharp knife and just make some straight lines in any random order and take watered down black paint and paint over the entire thing and then wipe it off so that way the paint gets mixed into the grooves that you cut into the resin. Now this is going to be layer 2 of the resin. I mixed up some of this blue color and then I'm going to just add some more clear around it. Now I didn't videotape it, but I did another layer of the scratches into the resin, added some more black paint to the grooves, and did a third layer of resin on top. And this is the final product. And this is the look I was going for, that classic labradorite flash that you get when you hit it in the light. It's beautiful. If you'd like to try making one of these and you want to use this beautiful shiny resin, it's called Artworks Resin and it can be purchased at thecraftattack.com. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.